Hi guys, I know I'm completely without makeup, but honestly I don't care. I just want to make a little update about my hair situation because I published like my first hair mask 3-4 days ago, and it has been done this summer, I think on July or August. And it's been like 3-4 months since then, since I made this mask. And I washed my hair yesterday and I did the mask yesterday, and they look softer than ever. They're shiny, guys. Look the shiny here. They never were so shiny. I'm so surprised. I want to tell you something that probably you don't know, that I am taking some lots of medicines every day, especially for my epilepsy, and one small antidepressant that I'm gradually removing because I'm feeling so much better. But both the mixture of them, the antidepressant and the antiepileptic, make the hair fall a lot. So this is why you see my hair a bit not so voluminous. I'm making a cure right now. It's been 3 months since I'm making this cure. Oh my gosh, how it's called in English? It's Mio anyway, and makes the hair grow back. But it's almost done. I wanted to start doing again my sugar bear hair, which I found they're amazing. Look how much here it makes me grow these and these, and at the center of the hair where they start falling because my cure, they're growing back. Here they are. Look, they're growing back, and I'm so happy. And especially here, these are the other growing back with the sugar bear hair. I'm so happy. I should say more than the hair that are growing back again. I don't know. Oh yes, okay. This is the thing I wanted to say, but I forgot it. I'm preparing for Vlogmas, and I'm so happy about it. This should be a really good challenge. I already did like 2/3 videos for the first week, and the challenge is making a video every day of the week, of the month. So these should be in total like 25 videos. Well, let's see. I still don't know if I will be able to do that or not. Anyway, it's something that it's not worrying me more than everything. I wanted to update you about something. Another thing that's very important to me. A couple months ago or more, I think, maybe in April I did, yes, so more, 5-6 months ago, I made a video when I was talking about you about my passion about dance. And you're gonna click there, you're gonna see it if you want to see it before going on with this video. I was talking about my dance passion, about how the teachers didn't believe me, and my collection of dance shoes, and the fact that because I am a big girl, I'm overweight, I'm very tall, and my arms are very long, and I wasn't made for dance. But actually I've been started contortion in school since April, and it's going really well. My teacher is really proud of me, and I'm so proud of myself and about her, of course. She's an amazing teacher. She's so kind, she's so sweet. And since last week, I'm sorry, I decided to go back to ballet classes. My friend of mine, which she's going with me to contortionist, introduces me to her ballet teacher. She was so kind, so sweet, really nice, and she's asking to me, she's already making point classes. So she asking me if I am ever doing point, and it says, and the answer is yes, I've been doing point shoes for about a year and a half, I'm sorry. She's answering to me, okay, since you already done point shoes for a year, you can come here during this lesson and make point as well. And I was, point again, me. She didn't say anything about my weight, even if I'm wearing a body and a tights, because I was out, because I was already finished the competition in school when you have to wear body and tights. And she didn't say anything about my belly, my fat ass. She didn't say anything about my weight, about my height, anything. She just says, okay, come here, bring with you your point shoes, which are a bit old. I need to buy another pair because they're broken. If you're a ballet dancer, you know that you have to break your point shoes to make them work better for you. And mine actually are broken. I don't know if they're still working, so I need to buy another pair. Yesterday I had to start my lesson of point shoes lesson, but I had a big panic attack yesterday. I didn't felt well. Well, this somebody happens when you have to start something new, or you have to restart something that you think that you wouldn't do anymore, like ballet for me. And I didn't feel good. I started trembling. My hands were so shaking, also my legs too, so I decided to skip the lesson and stay at home. You're probably gonna say, this is not how you're gonna do. You should get off your fears and go to the lesson and smash everything. Well, yes, this is how you should do. This is how I do most of the time, but not yesterday. I didn't expect it was going to happen so soon, because it's been only 3 days since I talked with this teacher. And the fact that she says me bring with you your point shoes actually makes me feel a bit scared. Not for the fact that I can do any more point shoes. I still can do it. I wore my point shoes like 3 weeks ago to try if they still fits. Just for case, you know, life is very mysterious. And yeah, I still can do point shoes normally. They hurt, but it's like the kind of hurts, you know, when you're doing something that you really love, and the fact that it hurts is not bothering you. Actually, you like that. And the fact that I wear again point shoes, they were hurting a lot on my feet. I like them. When I put them off, I was just so satisfied, guys, that, you know, if you're a ballet dancer, you know the feeling, you know what I'm talking about. I think I'm gonna go to the lesson tomorrow, or in 2 to 3 days. And I need to get off my fears. So if you have if you have some tips about going on your fears, about something you have to redo after so long time, please let me know in the comments below, because I don't have friends actually which are making ballet or contortionist or any kind of this type of arts inside in the ballet. I can talk with them about this. They're all cosplayers, or they don't make this kind of arts. Gosh, I just noticed that I'm talking since like 11 minutes. I don't know if this video will be integral or I'm gonna cut something. Probably I'm gonna cut lots of stuff. Wait, just put on this camera. I didn't remember. Okay, I'm sorry. I just noticed that I already talked about what I was talking to. But talking about ballet, I felt, you know, lost in the ballet word, ballet-jean. When you start about talking about dance schools, ballet shoes, you get lost, and you forget everything. Okay, yes, I wanted to show you the hair. These are the hair. They look so nice. Oh my gosh, they're so soft. I can't believe it. I'm doing a really good job, guys. I'm joking. Yes, I'm probably gonna do a small haul video about something the upcoming Christmas. Here I am. Okay, so first thing I got is Jack Skellington teacup, Jack Skellington pillow, and my very first advent calendar, guys. Oh, I'm so excited to do this. I don't know if they're all 25 or 24 days, but this is what it is inside. The mini bear, 2 small balls, this chocolate, this is another bear, and this is Napolitans, and hazelnut, milk, and double milk bowl. This is, I think, one of the only treats that I can get during this Christmas, because since I remember starting classical ballet, I have to lose weight as much as possible and as fast as possible, in the healthiest way as possible. Let's say that. So I think this is the only treat that I can get every day, every morning, probably. 4, 5, 3, 7. There are no all days. Why? So I couldn't get a chocolate every day. This is so bad. And some stuff from Tiger, which I'm going to show you in the next video because my camera is abandoning me. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you like it and hope you appreciate it. Let me know in the comments if you have my same situation, so we can talk about that. Remember to like, subscribe to my channel, and put the notification bell on so you're notified whenever I upload a new video. Bye, and see you for my Vlogmas series.